This is my air filtration. I got one here. I'm not going to turn the camera around, but I got one on the other side. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. It was hot in here. Now you can go and buy you an air filtration and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to filtrate the air in your shop from dust. Or you can make one like this. Basically, let me turn it around a little bit so you can see the front of it. That's a box fan. This is the grill to the box fan. The other side of the back side of the grill of the box fan is on this side. Took them off, took the handle off. Basically just built a wooden box to set. Oh, sorry about that. Basically it's a wooden box that I set a box fan in. And then I put the fan grill back on the front of this one and on the front of this one. I should have got this. Maybe I can get it out. There you go. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, this one is still in the package. Hasn't been used yet. This is 1 day. That's 1 day of working in my shop, running both my fans. And basically it acts the same way as an air conditioner in your house. Just put it in there with the arrows pointing in the direction of the wind or the blowing the fan. The fan's blowing this way, so it's drawing the air, everything from the back side. And you put your 20 by 20 filter in there. Now I have my wire to a plug so I can turn it on like this. Easy as that. I had my doubts about doing this when I built it. I built 2 of them. But like I showed you that filter that's in here, that's like 1 day of working in my shop. That filter would look like that. I have 2 of them. I plan on making 2 more. All right. You have a blessed day.